How to export WhatsApp chats to email. Today we'll be learning about the quick and easy way to export all your WhatsApp chats to any email address you wish. To watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without much delay, let's get right into the video. First, open WhatsApp application on your device. And once you reach on the home page of WhatsApp, make sure you already have logged in or signed into your account. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. On this drop down menu box, select Settings. On this settings page, you need to scroll and then open Chats. On this chat section, you need to scroll to the bottom and then locate Chat Backup. Open it and then you will reach on this page. Under Manage Google Storage, you will see Google account. You just have to select the Google account where you want to send the mail. So let's open it and choose. Once you have done that, you can also choose the frequency with the backups. So you can select daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup or never. Once you have chosen the frequency also, you can select whether you want to include videos or a backup using cellular. If you wish to include videos, toggle it on. If you wish to backup using cellular, you can toggle it on. But if you don't wish, you can let it remain itself or like this only. Once you are done with all the customizing process, you can select the backup button at the top of the screen. So it will take time according to the file size, so you have to wait for that moment until it gets back up. So that's how we easily export WhatsApp chats to email. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.